Okay, so moving on to cancer, the cancer portion of my poster. Here's my little cancer cell. He says, "Grr, I'm a cancer cell." Um, Cancer can severely weaken the immune system by spreading to the bone marrow. The bone marrow is what makes blood cells that help fight infection. In leukemia or lymphoma, the cancer can prevent the bone marrow from making so many blood cells, resulting in a decreased immunity or making your immune system function poorly. Certain cancer treatments can also temporarily weaken the immune system because of the reduced number of white blood cells being produced in bone marrow. The cancer treatments that can weaken our immune system are chemotherapy, targeted cancer drugs, radiotherapy, and excuse me, high doses of steroids. Now, some of the immune system can recognize cancer cells as abnormal cells and kill them, but this defense alone may not be enough to completely rid the body of the cancer. Immunotherapy is a treatment which uses your natural immune system to fight cancer. The immune system can be helpful because cancer cells are different than normal cells, and the immune system can recognize and kill abnormal cells. That's what the immune system does. And so in the laboratory, scientists can produce different chemicals that are a part of the immune response. So basically, they can make different immunotherapies, such as, I'm going to butcher this, okay, got it, monoclonal antibodies, which recognize and attack certain proteins on the surface of cancer cells. Vaccines designed to help the immune system and recognize and attack cancer are also developed. Um, I probably won't pronounce this right either. Cyto- Cytokines, I believe, are something that's created also, and that's supposed to help boost the immune system. Um, and then here's another thing, which is CAR, it's all caps, CAR, T cell therapy, which is also known as adoptive cell transfer, which works to change the genes in a person's white blood cells. And then that brings me to cancer and the lymphatic system. Okay, so lymph nodes are basically little filters throughout the body, and there are cells in the lymph nodes that help destroy infection and protect us from viruses and harmful cells such as cancer. Once cancer is in the lymph system, it can metastasize to other parts of the body, and this is known as excuse me, metastatic cancer. So cancer cells break off from a tumor and they travel to a new area of the lymph nodes using the lymphatic system as kind of like a little freeway. The cancer cells often travel to nodes near the tumor first, and that brings me to my last bullet point about lymph nodes and cancer. Um, Surgical removal of the lymph nodes, which is called a lymphadenectomy, it's just removing the cancer so that your body has a chance to heal and hopefully can recover and go into remission or just be gone with it completely. This surgery can help get rid of the cancer before it spreads further. Unfortunately, when nodes are removed, there's fewer places for the liquid to go, and that can result in lymphedema, which I covered just a little bit ago.